Okay, guys, you can see Doritos. And it's in the bag, so we have nothing to guess. Okay, ready to look, we're gonna eat these. Say yes.
Oh, whoops.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll be back. This will be empty. Alright guys, well, done eating the Doritos. I didn't eat any. Yeah, okay. So let's go to the microwave. 5. Right there, okay? 5. It is 5:37. So, okay. Done. Open up the microwave. Ooh, put it in.
It smells weird from the last bag.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Good. Oh my god. Oh. Okay.
Yep, that's a minus.
Well, okay, we did 10 seconds last time and I kind of burst into flames.
That was pretty epic.
So let's do 10 seconds again.
Yeah!
1, 0. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh, let's again.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my god, plasma, plasma, plasma. Oh.
That was pretty epic.
Yes, it was.
It's still smoking.
Oh my gosh.
It smells horrible.
Smoke. Yeah, use one of those things. Or 3.
That works too.
Yes.
Epic fail.
I know, yeah. Okay. You can see it got small.
Very small.
Yes, very. That was funny. Okay. See if it's...
Let's compare it to the size of an average TV room.
No, 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 no.
Aww.
Put it in the microwave. It's stupid. Okay, it's kind of like...
Matt, your TV remote's broken.
Yeah, I know. It's always there. Oh, yeah, it's more burnt than the other one.
Yeah, I know.
Horrible.
Matt, you must work as far as
Yeah, it's kind of hot still. I'm gonna go get the other one. Oh, here it is. See, it's all hard. You can't bend it. See? Yeah, you can't bend it. Okay. You can see my iPod Nano. Yeah. It's that small. And it was actually pretty big. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this one's getting harder. You can see. So, yeah, let's take a look at the instant replay. Go. Oh my gosh, plasma again.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my god, plasma, plasma, plasma. Go. Oh yeah, plasma again.
Oh no.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Plasma, plasma, plasma. Oh my gosh, plasma again.
Oh no.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Plasma, plasma, plasma.